Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some spoilers for the May BoxyCharm Premium Box, and I also have the June choice dates and also some add-ons dates. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was spoilers for the BoxyCharm May pop-up. Well, thank you so much, Dawn Rawson. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Dawn says, "Hi, Mandy, I'm first. Love you, girl." Well, Dawn, you most certainly are, honey, and thank you so much, girl. You are quick on that bell. I really appreciate you coming and watching the video and having your notifications set. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first I'm going to show you the dates, and then I'm going to show you the spoilers to the May BoxyCharm Premium Box. So first up on the dates, we have the dates for the June choice items. So the first one is, now June choice opens for BoxyCharm Premium on Thursday, May the 14th. So guys, make sure you're writing this down in your calendar now. Don't make me be doing this for nothing. And y'all come back and say, "Hey, what was that date?" You hear me, Sarah? Then for the Boxy Luxe choice items, that is going to be Monday, May 18th. Now, next up, we got some dates for the add-ons. Now, early access is going to be Monday, June the 8th. And that is going to be for BoxyCharm Premium members, active BoxyLuxe members, and also the waitlisters. Now all access for the add-ons is going to be Tuesday, June 9th. So again, y'all, write that down in your calendar. Write all those dates. Now let's go ahead and look at the spoilers for BoxyCharm May Premium. Now the box is valued up to $225. Now the first 2 are variations. So you'll either get the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette, or you're going to be getting the Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. Now, next up is going to be the 3 choice items that y'all did choose from. Now, if you didn't choose, you will be getting 1 out of these 3 items. You'll either get the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer, or you're going to get the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate Cream, or you're going to be getting the Smashbox Photo Edit Eye Trio. So guys, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll be updating you. You know, I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Connie McDonald. Connie says, "Hi Mandy, love your videos. Have a great day." Well, Connie, honey, thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day as well. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube has been stealing my subscribers. But if you would check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the mask, y'all, I'm losing my damn mind. I got masks on my mind. If you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.